Right, we're going to start with the gunmetal grey. This paint is called BMW Ferraric Grey, for those who are interested. Right, before we start, there's two things I need to do. First of all, I recommend wearing these gloves because my hands have turned grey. Look like a cyborg. So, bought these. Come in boxes of 100, so I've got plenty of gloves for doing the housework, yeah? Right, grey gloves. Now I've put about 3 coats. This is going to be the 4th coat. And I reckon that should be enough. I reckon 2 of these cans should do 4 wheels. 4 22-inch wheels. Okay, let's get going. Put the mask on. What an improvement, yeah? Okay, here goes. I think that looks good. Looks good. Right. I chose this gunmetal grey. There were so many. I went to the paint shop to get this one, and they mix it for you. And it's the genetic can. But there was like 50 shades of grey. I thought I'll have it to match my grey in my hair. This is not paint, that's pure natural. So my car's blue, like I've explained in the previous video. Whether I should go for a lighter kind of a grey blue, don't really know. But us Leos may not always be right, but we're never wrong. No, we are. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let's get the camera so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, that's the finished gunmetal grey. I think it looks pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. Okay, so that's how it looks. Let's put the camera back. This is my mobile phone, as you've probably gathered. Right, here we go. So I'm going to put the wheel up like we did before. As you can see that. It looks really good. It's all uniform, no runs that I can see. So, that's the colour we're going to end up with. Next job is the clear coat. Clear coat lacquer. Now, leave that now for another 15 minutes. It's getting a bit warmer today. But another 15 minutes and we should be good. We should be good. Good. Okay, next bit. Clear coat. So far we're doing good. Good.